How to make this trending giant phone screen video using your phone? Let's go. But wait, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. If you do not have Capcut app installed on your phone, do check out my Telegram channel for the video links on how to install Capcut in both iPhone or Android. Now let's begin. Record a video of yourself casually walking and stopping and then seeing a random wall. Now, come close to the wall, do the action of clicking on the wall to open a phone screen. Then, do the action of scrolling the screen and then clicking on a post. After that, coming backwards and enjoying the reel. Now, according to your actions in the video above, record a screen recording in your phone doing the exact same steps. Now, open a new project in the Capcut app and import the main video. Scroll a little forward in the timeline until you have started coming into the frame. Select the video, put a split there, and delete the front part. Similarly, in the end. Add a split to the extra part and delete it. Also delete this watermark. Now, click the Overlay tool, add Overlay, and import the screen recording. Drag it to the left to the point where you have tapped on the wall. Now, tap on the main video and create a duplicate of it. Select that duplicate video and click on Overlay. It will automatically come down to the third layer. Now, drag this duplicate clip to the starting point so that it perfectly matches the main video. Now, select this duplicate clip and click on Remove Background. Then, Auto Removal. You will see that you are now in front of the screen. If you still do not see yourself in the front, simply click on the screen recording and select the layer tool. Here, select one. Now, select each of these clips one by one and use the volume tool to decrease their sound to 0. Now, to add this TV opening effect, open the Effects tool. Select Video Effects. Search for TV here. Select this TV Open effect. Click Cancel, and then click Done. The effect has been added. Now click on Object and select your screen recording so that this effect will apply to that only. Now to add sound effects, click on Audio, Sound Effects, and search for Electric. Select any one you like. The one I chose is mentioned in the description box. Now split the sound effect if it is extra and delete the extra part. Similarly, add whoosh sound effect for scrolling and click sound effect for clicking on a post. If you want to make the screen recording look even more realistic, select the screen recording video, open the opacity tool, and slightly decrease the opacity. Now export this video. Create a new project in Capcut and import the video we just created. Select the video and click on Filters. Choose any filter which suits best to your video. Now, to add this type of movement in your video, select the video again and add keyframe point. Move forward in the timeline and simply stretch the video. Move a little more forward and put it back. This will automatically create a movement in your video. Export the video, and that's it.
いよこのスワッグ俺たちにしかないスワッグ肩の力抜いてラックラック遊び働いて曲書く
If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.